Good afternoon, Mataji.
Good afternoon. Yes, everybody present.
Ji.
Yes, good morning.
Mataji.
Good morning.
Good
Good morning.
Good morning, Mataji.
Yes,
Good morning.
good
Mataji, good
morning.
morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good
Yes, good
afternoon.
good morning.
Good morning, Mataji.
Good afternoon, Mataji.
Have you all studied about Constitution?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
So,
Mataji.
children, one thing, if you will come to online or live class, you are attending afterwards again. If somebody they are going, okay. So your attendance will not come if you are doing like that. We are taking daily live class attendance, children. Got it? And really, those who are having the problem, network problem, we come to know their names we are having, and some other people. See, because 68 children, only 34 I can see here. Got it? So you must attend the live class, children, because before only we have mentioned, morning only I have mentioned. It is not only my class, as a class teacher I am telling you, every subject you must attend the live class, children. Yes, clear? Otherwise your attendance will not consider, because those who are all attending we are having in the screen, and attendance details we will get it, okay? So please, these things you keep it in your mind in all the subject live classes, children. Yes, regarding constitution, any doubt?
No, Mataji.
No,
Shall we
Mataji.
go next?
Mataji.
No,
Now I'll
Mataji.
ask you.
No, Mataji.
Okay, Safa, I'll ask you one question. Yes, can you tell me the answer of what is the meaning of constitution? What is the meaning of constitution, children?
Mataji, can I
Yes,
tell the answer?
who's that?
Vasundhara.
Vasundhara, tell me.
Constitution means a set of basic rules followed by the people of India.
Yes, very good. So constitution means what? It is a set of basic rules. Yes or not? It is followed by the country or India. And Indian constitution, it is the largest or the biggest. Yes or not? We are all following the Britain constitution only. But in India, we are having the state government and the central government separately, so that we are having the biggest constitution. Got it? And another thing is, in the constitution, when it was accepted, what it is there, everything we have learned. Yes or not? In the last class, how many articles, amendments, and the parts, schedules that we have learned. Yes or not? How much it is? 395 articles. Then 22 parts and 8 schedules that we have learned. Yes or not? Apart from that, what we have learned about? Yes. Children, constitution amendments is nothing but it is the corrections of the law. Okay, what the law they have created before the day, 1950 time. Okay, so nowadays because of the public or the people opinion, somewhere or the some state they have to change. Yes or not? For example, prime minister they have to take a decision to change with the acceptance of the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha, isn't it or not? Because we are having the bicameral legislature. Yes, and what are the three organs of the government at the state level as well as the central level? So then there must be a different opinions or the different views or the ideologies are there. Yes or not? So on that, because of the public, they have to create some other law or they have to change the law, isn't it or not? So here there is a one book called it is, yes, is it visible? Can you see?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
They have
Yes,
written.
Samvidhana Odu.
Okay.
Samvidhana
Constitution.
Odu.
Yes. Read
Samvidhana
Constitution. Why is it necessary to read? Is it necessary?
Because about the
Yes,
world and
To know the constitution.
we must know about our constitution, rules and regulations, how much it is there, yes or not, what are the laws are there, yes or not, children. For example, ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೋ film ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, that film they are considering like this articles or the schedules or section, IPC section, yes or not, 301 ಪ್ರಕಾರ 306 ಪ್ರಕಾರ, like that they are saying, yes or not. These are all the laws. Those who are the IAS officer or the police officers or LLB holders, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಲಾ ಓದ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಲಾ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಾರಲ್ಲ, so they must read and thorough about the constitution, children, understood? And what it is there here, first page it is a preamble. What is that? First page it is a preamble. What it is there in the preamble we have discussed in the last session. Yes, it will tells us fraternity, justice, equality, yes or not, and so many ideologies are there. It is called heart of the nation. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? It is the heart of nation ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Then we are all having the sovereign state, republic state, yes or not? Then what else? Democratic and secular state. Why it is called like this? Why? Because everything, all the religions we have accepted. 1950 January 26th we got a republic, yes or not? Means a democratical system. Democratical system means election system. Through the election system, people are electing, and we are choosing the elected representative, then they will form a government, isn't it or not? So that is called, what is that? Republic, understood? And other things, actually it is a Kannada book. I have one more English book also, or else in our library we will get it, in the school library we will get it about constitution. More details if you want, then we can take and read, okay? So everything it is mentioned, why we need, what happened, who are all created this, everything, and how many articles are there, every details we will get it through this book. And some changes for the poor people or the Dalit people, okay, especially Dalit people, they have done so many things. For example, it is called Samaja Kalyana Ilake, means our society they wanted to improve, okay? One is Dalitas and another one is for our society. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಡೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕುವಂತ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. they have done a development or the improvement, okay? So that is ಪರಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಜಾತಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ SC and ST, scheduled caste tribes and ಈ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ, ದಲಿತಾಸ್, ಇವ್ರುಗಳಿಗೆ ದಲಿತ್ಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಲಾ ಅಥವಾ ಅವರಿಗೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ? ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್, understood? It is not only in Karnataka, it is all the country, in India, whole India, they made some changes. ಆಗ ಜಮ್ಮು ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ 371 ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ರು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹಾಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಗಳ ಅನುಸಾರವಾಗಿ. ಬಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್, ಜುಡಿಷಿಯರಿ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್, ವೈಲ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡೋರು ಯಾರು? Rajya and Lok Sabha members, isn't it? So here, whatever they wanted to change or change the amendments, they have to listen the or they have to accept the approval of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the judiciary, understood? So then only they can change it. Another thing is, children, what else are there? We need to learn about the features. What are the features? It is in the constitution. First of all, it is a written constitution. What is that? It is a written constitution. What is the meaning of written constitution? Sorry. Constitution regarding you must know about. Yes or not, children? what is the meaning of constitution, everything, pictures, everything we have learned, alva? So now tell me, why is it necessary to learn the constitution features? Yes? Is it necessary, children?
Yes, Mataji.
Why it is necessary? Why it is necessary? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಬೇಕು? Why we need, children? ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? Okay, leave. I'll only say.
Our
First of all,
a better country.
to know about these are all the things. What are that? Written constitution. What is that? It is a written constitution and republic. What is that? And republic. First one is written constitution. What is the meaning of written constitution? It is a written means whatever the ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ನೆನಪಿರತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So that they have written, Ambedkar, he was written that whatever the laws, rules, regulation, everything, it will apply the whole nation. There is no discrimination among the people, or there is no rich, no poor, like that. Okay, there is no discrimination regarding caste, religion, whatever. So it is equal to all. So like that, if they are telling oral, then they'll forgotten. Yes or not? They'll forget us. So that what they have done, they have written. So it is called biggest and largest written document. Okay. Another thing is what else are there? All three organs, legislature, executive, and the judiciary, what they have to do for the country. Okay, that guidance it will gives. Yavadu kodutte? Constitution will gives the guidance to all three organs of the government. Understood? Another thing is what? Republic. What is that? Republic. What is the meaning of republic? I already said that before 1947 there was a British rule and monarchical rule was there. Yes or not? So because of the monarchical rule, what was happened? What has happened? What the king is taking the decision, then it is applying all other people. Yes or not? Here, those who are the public or the people, if they wanted to change or if they were having separate ideas, then they couldn't express, isn't it or not? But in India, we are all having the democratical system. What is the meaning of democracy? That you have learned in the last year. Yes or not? What Abraham Lincoln says that democracy, it is the by the people, of the people, for the people. Yes or not? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜನರಿಂದ ಜನರಿಗಾಗಿ ಜನರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಡೆಮೋಕ್ರಸಿ. Isn't it or not? So what Abraham Lincoln, he made that democracy statement. So many countries nowadays they are applying, children. In India 1951 and 52, because until then there was no election held in India. Okay, so first general election was held at 1951 and 52. During that time, what are the prime minister, president, as well as the other ministers, they were chosen by the election, children. Andre people, they have given the votes for these representatives and they won the election, and they were forming the what they formed? They have formed the government. Then through the government, they were divided. What are the division? Executives is separate body, legislature is separate body. Means what are the legislature? Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Isn't it or not? But in state level, at the Karnataka, for example, we are having what is that? Main mane kelamane anta karitare. What is that? Vidhan Sabha and Vidhana Parishad. Isn't it or not? Like that, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha at the central level we are having. Like that, bicameral legislature we are having. Then executives, prime minister, president, and the cabinet ministers, council ministers, these are all comes under. Yes or not? And the governor. Then judiciary, Supreme Court, High Court, and the subordinate courts. Yes or not? So like these three organs, we are having the system through the election system, children. Once they were constructed, once they were held the election in India, then they were started to choosing the people as a prime minister, president, and all other departments. Departments means the financial minister, education minister, railway minister, and what is that? So many types of the ministries are there. So not that departments they have distributed the works for the executives, isn't it or not? So that is called republic. Why? Because monarchical rule and British rule after 1947, for the first time general election 1951-52. After that means almost from the 50 ivaga 2000 almost 75 years over. So not nearest 80 idiki now. So we are holding the elections 5 years once, children. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಲೋಕಸಭಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯಸಭಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 types of the elections it is held at in India, children. Understood? And ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಸಭಾದು ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೋಕಸಭಾದು ಕೂಡ 5 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Isn't it? For example, ಮೋದಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ 6ನೇದು 7ನೇದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 6th or 7th year ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ he will rule neatly or not with the rules and regulations they are yes or not, children. Okay, so that was. And the third one is secularism and the fundamental rights and the duties. What is that mean? What is the meaning of fundamental rights and duties, children? For example, right to equality. What is that? Right to equality. And another thing is right to freedom, right to against exploitations, and right to constitutional remedies. What the constitution it will use us, that remedies we should follow that. Understood? And right to equality, right to freedom. Andre freedom means what? We can go any part, andre we can go anywhere inside the country, anywhere we can settle here, isn't it? As an Indian citizen we can go through India, isn't it or not? Yavade place hogobodu, yaru namge kelorilla idorilla, but it should be binding our rules and regulation. Andre ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಗೆ we need to go them, is not ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. And we need to give a respect to others. Okay. Apart from that, what we have learned, equality. Equality means there is no discrimination among the people of India. All are one in front of the law. That we have learned. Yes or not? Then another thing is right to religion. Right to religion means any religion. If Hindu, Muslim, Christian, or Sikh, Parsi, Jaina, Buddha, Vaishnavas, whatever the religion it is in the India, everything is accepted. They can follow any religion, they can follow any traditions or the customs, or they can go any part of the country. And freedom of speech, whatever we can speak with freely, it should be, you know what the government has given, we can speak freely in front of any people. Whatever our ideas we can share, our expressions we can share to the government. Alva namma MLA athwa ಎಂಪಿಗಳ ಹತ್ರ ನಾವು ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ತೊಂದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೊಸೈಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಿರೋ ತೊಂದರೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, isn't it or not? Or through media. Nowadays we are all going through media, isn't it or not? So that is the freedom our constitution it has given, isn't it? That is called freedom of what do you call that? Fundamental rights. It is a basic rights, and some other duties also government has given. What are the duties? We need to respect our national anthem, flag, emblem, and elders, and we need to protect our historical places, literature, legends, isn't it or not? So these are all called duties. That is our, as a citizen of India, we need to respect our duties as well as the fundamental rights we are having. If anybody exploiting our anybody they are harming us, okay, in our society or neighbors, whoever, okay, then regarding about this Supreme Court or the court or the judiciary, it is having the response to protect us, okay, our rights it will protect. Judiciary it will protect the rights. That also you have learned in the last year, isn't it or not? Then another thing is secularism. I already said that any religion For example, in India, so many religions, they were living all that part of the country, isn't it or not? So they can follow their own custom, traditions, or the festivals, or what is that religion they can follow. They can go to church, mosque, or the temple, wherever they can go, wherever they can worship. It's not. There is no what is that? Others interference or the government interference is not there. ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಾಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯುಲರಿಸಮ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಧರ್ಮಗಳಿದೆ, ಆ ಧರ್ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ನಾವು ನಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬಾರ್ದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಧರ್ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರದೇ ಆದಂತ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ it is not interfering. Understood? Then another thing is independent judiciary. In the judiciary or in front of the judiciary, high court irbodu, supreme court irbodu, whatever. Okay, so in front of the court, that is called judiciary, or it will gives you justice, alva? So in front of the law or judiciary, here everybody are equal. There is no caste discrimination or rich or poor like that, or VIP person. Okay, no executives are interfering this court's matter. Andre supreme court, it may be on the judiciary nalli, it is independent. Whatever the decision it is taking, those who are the judges or the lawyers, it is the final. Okay, especially judgment, just supreme court justice, it is the final judgment. Okay, so in this no VIP person or the politicians should not interfering in this judiciary, so that it is called independent judiciary. If anybody exploiting to us, we can go through or we can approach the court. So then court will gives you justice, or it will protect our rights. Is it clear? Then another thing is adult franchising. What is that? What is the meaning of adult franchising? 19-year one who is having the age. 19 ವರ್ಷ ಅಥವಾ 19 ವರ್ಷ ಮೇಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತವರು, they can give the vote and they can elect the person in the election. I already said that 5 years once election will be held. In that election, those who are above the 18 years, they can give the vote. For that, government it has given for him election ID card. Understood? So election commissioner, he was appointed by the President of India. That election commissioner and his other what do you call it, ministers or other official persons, they were holding the election. They were conducting the elections at all the parts of the country, children. Understood? So every 5 years once they were holding the elections. That elections, those who are the representatives, they will become a minister. That representatives, they must win the what is that election, isn't it or not? Then only they will become a ministers. In that person, yariga summa ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ election ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು vote ಕೊಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Why? Because there is a rules. What is the rules? He must having the 18 years above, 18 years ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. That is called adult franchisee. That is what government has given
ಮಾತಾಜಿ
to us.
ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲ?
Citizenship, yes, very good question. Indian citizenship is must and should, children. You should have the Indian citizenship. Means you must born in our country only. As an Indian citizen, you must have the 18 years old age. And above the 18 years, you can give the vote. Understood? Even those who are the representative or the candidate, he must stand for the election. Then he must have the citizenship of India. Okay, ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಯಾವುದೇ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪವರ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಜಡ್ಜಸ್, ಲಾಯರ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, he must, what is that? He must follow the rules, regulation, and he must be a citizen of India. It may be prime minister or it may be president. Understood? So
ಮಾತಾಜಿ ರಾಹುಲ್
that is the
ಗಾಂಧಿಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್
condition.
ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಉಂಟು?
ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿಗೆ ಉಂಟು. He is an Indian. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ they have taken the Indian citizenship and they were settled in India. Understood? Because their parents, his parents, Gandhi family, no, so that they were born in India only, so that they were having the Indian citizenship. If Rahul Gandhi, he wanted to take another citizenship, another country's citizenship, then he should cancel in Indian citizenship. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ he should not have a two country citizenship. If he is having American, then automatically in India it will be cancelled. Understood? Or else
Mataji, it
he
is
must,
illegal
yeah, it is
to
illegal.
get both the
Offense.
citizenship.
It is an offense, children. Understood? ಅವರು ಎರಡೆರಡು ಕಂಟ್ರಿನ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅದು ಅಪರಾಧವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Got it? It is a offense under the law. So they must
ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ.
what, Gautami?
ನೀವು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಿರೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅದು ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಲ್ಸಿರೋದಮ್ಮ? ಇವಾಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲೆಸನ್? ಎಸ್,
ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಿರೋದು ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ.
ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ,
ಓಕೆ ಮಾತಾಜಿ.
so next one is universal adult franchisee over. Then the last one is election system. Already I said what is that election system, children? For example, before that it was a what is that, monarchical rule or the British rule, isn't it? So after 1947 no other rulers to rule our country. For that reason 1951 and 52 they were held the election when they were accepted the constitution January 26 1950. After that they were holding the what is that, election system, general election system. So first prime minister, first president were chosen after, so that from that day onwards, means every 5 years once we are holding the election system. With the election system they were making so many types of the what is that, rules or of the country. Why? Because in that election system it is a largest democracy, especially India, it is having the largest democratical system. Understood? So ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ at the central level, means Lok Sabha election is going on, at the state level Rajya Sabha election is going on, isn't it not? So that it is called, it's the largest democratical system. It is for only public choose, yes or not? Means by the people, of the people, and for the people only it has created, so that it is called a democratic republic country. Got it, children? So these are all the features: written constitution, republic, fundamental rights and duties, secularism, adult franchise, election, and the independent judiciary. These are all the features of the constitution. Okay, so these are all what it has written in the constitution book, children. What is that about this written in the constitution book? So that everybody should read the constitution, understand the constitution. Okay, so regarding this constitution, yes, tell me now, what are the features of the constitution? Yes,
Written constitution, republic.
Constitution is the
yeah, can you see the board? Can you see the board, children? Yes,
fundamental rights and duties. Constitution is basic
Yes.
right.
Secularism.
okay,
Election system.
election system. For example, what is that? Written constitution, and it is republic, secularism, fundamental rights and the duties, and independent judiciary, universal adult franchisee, election system. Universal adult franchisee means all over the India. Okay, those who are the parts of India states, one states allu parts ಗಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಗಳಿದೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಅಥವಾ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋರು ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ಸ್ or the election heads they were held in this election system. Yeah, next any Dhruva? Yes. Any doubt?
No, Mataji.
Video not getting the network problem this video tomorrow you will get it children. So last class video once again I will resend okay in your group. And another thing is please nodi matte 39 aaytu please attend the classes of all subject because all the teachers they are complaining to me. Some children are again escaping the class. They are leaving the class like that. They are telling, please don't do like that because you 68 members should attend. Okay, otherly few members they cannot attend. Why? Because really they are having the network problem. All others you are not. Got it? So you must attend the class, children, because nimge gottide what is happening in our surrounding alva. Because of corona we cannot go to school regularly. Because of that the teachers they are doing live classes, yes or not? So there is a new padige new yoti please artha aita Gautami, what ma? Tell me what is your problem?
Mataji,
Yes.
tomorrow school is there.
Yes, tomorrow for 7th standard it is there. They put the messages,
Okay,
right?
Mataji, thank you.
Yes,
Okay,
Mataji.
children, thank you. Let us enter the classroom. Go through the textbook and read. Okay?
Bye, Mataji.
Bye, Mataji.
Okay, bye, Mataji. Bye, Mataji.
Bye, Mataji.